Sup guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be continuing to show some improvements that I've made to this project, and what I'm gonna show first is a couple of options that I've enabled in the lobby menu. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So this is the lobby, and I've just enabled to the host. This menu will be invisible to clients, so those can change which map you want and then what game mode you want. I just have prop and normal free for all, I guess. So the second map that I've imported is what I call map 2. We're gonna get the names right and stuff, but for now it's fine. And there you go. So this is the second map. It's still not perfectly in terms of performance, but I have like it was like 20 FPS in the beginning, so I guess this is quite fine now. The problem with these maps is that they don't have lots. We're gonna have to work on that. Otherwise, it's not gonna be that playable. But I can walk around in a map. You can see the lightning shaft and everything. It's very cool. Now, obviously, I'm playing these on max settings. That's why you see this. But if you don't got the frame rate you want, you can just drop the settings a little bit, and it will be fine. Yeah, this is quite it's quite a big map. I mean, not that big, but I guess this map is gonna be great for prop hunt because you have a lot of props around that you can hide in. We're probably gonna have to kind of import or like change the position of some props, because now most of the props are like inside barriers and stuff that we cannot really get into it. But yeah, it has a lot of potential. I'm really liking this, so I just wanted to show this. I guess the next thing I'm gonna be doing, that I've done the game modes and you know the selection map and stuff, I'm gonna be start working on the character locomotion and stuff. I already have a character and its animations to start working, so I'm gonna start doing that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.